Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on the 67 GTO. We've finally reached the milestone. We've got all of the loose pieces completely stripped down and sanded and ready for epoxy. You can see we're pretty busy here. We've got the paint booth completely full of stuff, but here are the parts here. They came out real good. Had to rebuild the whole back edge of this trunk lid and some work on the top side. Fenders needed a bunch of work. Lot of surface rust that we were dealing with from old paint. There's some other pieces hanging back there, and then over here we've got the wiper cowl and the grill header. So we've got all that to do. We'll get this in epoxy today and finish up the fenders tomorrow. I've got my son working on the hood over there, getting the hood prepped for epoxy. Here's the car here. You can see we've got it pretty much ready, almost ready to paint. One more grit. I think 320, or actually no, I'm sorry, 400 grit is the last grit we got to do on this car, and it'll be ready to go. So I'm going to get cracking here. We'll be right back after I get the primer on these, and I'll show you what they look like.